I'm going to show you how to turn on and also how to customize always on display on the Xiaomi 17 Pro. So go to settings. On the settings page, you want to go to personalization, tap on that, and then you should see AOD, which is always on display. Tap on that, and then this is where you can turn always on display on. Now, once you turn it on, you have all these other options that you can customize. So you have theme. So this is basically what the always on display looks like. So you can have same as lock screen, which basically means you're going to be seeing your lock screen wallpaper on the always on display. If you don't want that, then you can go to custom, and then you can choose from one of these custom always on displays. So for instance, I can pick this to use as my always on display. I can adjust the colors and then tap apply. So once I do that, that's what it's going to look like on the always on display. All right. Now I can customize the always on display further by choosing the display items and how items appear there. So I can have the always on display appear when I tap the screen and everything is going to show for 10 seconds. Or I can choose the always on display to be on always, or I can choose smart. So smart, basically your phone detects when someone looks at the screen and it's going to turn on the always on display. Or you can schedule, all right? Or you can turn off the always on display when battery saver is enabled. So this is something you can toggle on or off. So that is basically how to set up the always on display on your Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Now, if you scroll a bit, you will see some new or some other always on display graphics that you can use. And if you go to more options, it actually takes you to a store where there are plenty of other always on displays. Now, most of these are written in Chinese, so I will not probably recommend those. The ones that come by default on the phone should be good enough. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.